Now we'll take a look at changing the appearance. It does not change the physical material. It's not going to change the weight, the density. Think of it as like painting. If I wanted to paint a surface. Another thing that we do quite often is we machine or show machine surfaces. I have this set as being cast iron right now, and I can see a texture just based on the material that I've selected. Well, if I have faces, surfaces that I want to show as being machined, that is an appearance change. So I have my appearances tab here in the toolbar. If I want to add this to the toolbar or find it initially, it is under Modify, which I can also pin to the toolbar, or I can right click. If I right click, I can bring up my Appearances dialog box. First, under Apply To, do I want to do it to the whole body? If I drag and drop, it will change the overall appearance. And sometimes that is what you want. Do you want to paint this thing red? Fine, you can paint it red. In the instance where I want to just select individual faces to machine, your better option is to choose faces. You can shift and select given faces. You can drag and drop onto each face. That is just a personal preference. So unlike changing the material, appearances are broken into more folders, and I'm going to go right to metal. Like all the metals were listed in one folder. Under appearances, they're broken out into different folders. Again, just by changing the appearance is not going to change the mass or physical properties of this. But if I am looking to machine given faces, and in this case this part's made out of iron, I'm going to go to Polished Iron. I do have faces selected, and I'm going to drag and drop onto a given face. So as I drop it onto this face, I will see that that texture has gone away. When I go to render this, it will show up as being a little more shiny. I can shift and select multiple faces and then drag and drop this, and both of them will change at the same time. If I want to choose other options, there's metal options, there's paint options, glossy powder coat. Just showing you some options here. If I want to paint these surfaces yellow, I can select a single surface and drag and drop, or I can select multiple surfaces and change them all at one time. If I want to do the entire body, I can select the body, and I'll pick something different. Green. Now the whole thing, I just painted green. So this is a demonstration on how to change appearance to the body or to a given surface.